Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to send multiple videos to a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. This process is simple, quick, and perfect if you want to share memories, clips, or project files all at once. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to WhatsApp Web. You can do this by typing WhatsApp Web into the search bar or going directly to the official website. Once you're there, scan the QR code on the screen using your phone's WhatsApp app so your account connects to your computer. Now that you're logged in, find the group where you want to send your videos. You'll see all your recent chats on the left side of the screen. Click on the group name to open the conversation window. Next, look for the small plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the chat bar. Click on it and a few options will pop up. From these options, choose Photos and Videos. This feature allows you to upload multiple media files from your computer. A File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the folder that contains the videos you want to share. To select multiple videos, hold down the Control key on your keyboard or the Command key if you are using a Mac and click on each video you'd like to send. Once all your chosen videos are highlighted, click Open. You'll now see previews of your videos appear in the chat box. If you want, you can add a caption to each one or write a message to go along with them. When you're ready, click the Send button. That's it. All your selected videos will now upload and send to the group at once. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few seconds for each video to finish uploading, but once done, everyone in your group will be able to view and download them. And that's how easy it is to send multiple videos to a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.